it's a complete red solution. So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here and seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I am Prakriti. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you all my weekly skincare routine. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun video wherein I'll be showing you what all I do on a weekly basis. And before that, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing. So yeah, without much ado, let's just hop directly into the video. So like this week is my chemical exfoliation week. So yeah, I'll be showing you guys how to do chemical exfoliation and after that what to do and what not to do. So yes, before beginning with this video, I'll just cleanse off my face and be right back. So yes, I'm back after cleaning my face completely. And yes, don't forget to pat dry your skin because for chemical exfoliation, you need completely dry skin. So yes, for cleaning my face, I used this simple cleanser. This you already know. मैंने अपने previous videos में भी दिखाया हुआ है ये. So this is like meant for sensitive skin and it's very gentle. It's soap free. So it's really good. So moving forward with the chemical exfoliation part. So to let you know, teenagers like they have to follow basic routine only. उनको ये chemical exfoliation वगैरह की कोई भी need नहीं होती. You should not do that because skin is very sensitive. So yeah, I have already made a separate video for teenager skincare routine. So I'll be linking that somewhere here so you can check that. And moving forward with my chemical exfoliation. So मैंने भी like एकदम से chemical exfoliation नहीं start कर दिया था. I had build up like मेरी स्किन को पता होना चाहिए कि क्या हो रहा है. So स्किन कभी कभी पर्ज होने लगती है या abnormally behave करने लगती है. So that's not good. तो धीमे धीमे build किया जाता है ये सब. So firstly, like if I tell you, I've been chemically exfoliating since a year now. So yes, I've started off with this Dr. Sheets gentle peel. So yeah, as its name suggests, it's a gentle peel. So this is basically meant for beginners जो start off कर रहे हैं chemical exfoliation से. So you should use a gentle exfoliator first to see how your skin reacts. And first and foremost, before beginning with this, you should always do a patch test so that you can see how your skin is reacting to it and then like apply to the face. So yeah, this has acids like glycolic acid and lactic acid. These are in a little less quantity. And the one that I am currently using, so it's the ordinary AHA BHA peeling solution. So this is what it looks like. And it is this AHA 30% and BHA 2% peeling solution. So yeah, ये इंडिया में नहीं मिलता है, but Instagram pages sell this. I'll just link down below some authentic pages. So this is how the bottle looks like. It's a complete red solution. So इसको बहुत limited quantity में एक mask की तरह apply करना होता है. And the directions are mentioned over here. Like you don't have to leave it for more than 10 minutes and just rinse off with lukewarm water. So yeah, for the first time when you apply this, थोड़ी सी tingling sensation होती है. But after that, once your skin is habitual to this, तो फिर कुछ नहीं होता, फिर normally होता है. So yes, I'll be taking it on my tips and then applying a thin layer all over my face. And you have to avoid this eye contour area because that's like really sensitive. You can take it like down to your neck as well. So I like apply a 10-minute timer and after that I'll just completely rinse this off. And to tell you guys more about this, like on the packaging it's mentioned that it is not recommended to use more than twice per week. But in my case, I just like do chemical exfoliation like twice a month maybe. So yeah, I don't do that much. So this was my weekly routine on the chemical exfoliation part. But the weeks wherein I do not chemically exfoliate, I do something else. And yeah, I'll be making another video for that. So if you guys want me to make that video also, so please do comment down below. So if you guys have any active pimple anywhere on your face, so please don't disturb that because it will get aggravated and फिर पता ही नहीं उसके बाद क्या होगा. So yeah, don't disturb it. And you know, just leave that spot and बाकी जगह आप लगा सकते हो उसको. So until we are waiting for the 10 minutes to get over, I'll just scrub my lips as well क्योंकि अगर face का exfoliation हो रहा है तो why not the lips. So yes, I'll be using this lip scrub from the brand Juicy Chemistry and it's their blood orange and rose hip lip scrub. So this is how it looks. मैंने इनकी balm की भी बहुत तारीफ की हुई है, वो भी शायद इसी में था rose hip something. So this is also really nice and I've almost like emptied this. So I'll just scoop out a little bit and just scrub my lips as well. Like this is an additional product that I use, but you guys can take a bit sugar and mix it with some lemon juice or water and rub it gently over your lips, तो वो भी almost वही काम करेगा. This तो I bought for trying purpose and I liked, so I am using this because it moisturizes and rose पे तो pigmentation भी थोड़ी कम करता है. So yeah, I really like this product. So yes, I am done with the exfoliation and हमारे 10 minutes भी हो चुके हैं. So yes, this is how the mask looks once it's dried. So yeah, I'll just rinse it off and be right back. So yes, I am back after washing my face and this is how my skin looks. It looks so clear and fresh. Like I don't know if it's visible through the camera, but I can feel it in person. It looks so clear. So after doing chemical exfoliation, you should not use too many products because like your skin becomes sensitive after chemically exfoliating it. So I'll be using a rose water to just give that hydration. So it's this rose water from Forest Essential and it's one of my favorites, and the second is Kama Ayurveda. So I'll just spritz it on my face. I'll just gently, press it so that it's absorbed in my skin. So I'll just do that. So once it's absorbed in your skin, you can just top it off with a moisturizer, like a hydrating moisturizer, because you should not layer actives over actives. Like people say that niacinamide लगा सकते हैं या vitamin C लगा सकते हैं कि नहीं. So you should be completely aware before using कि which active go with another. So after chemically exfoliating my skin, I prefer to give it a boost of hydration, and for that I use the Ordinary's hyaluronic acid. So it is just for a boost of hydration, and like I am almost done with half the bottle. So yeah, I really like this moisturizer क्योंकि whenever I wake in the morning तो वो proper glowy effect रहता है इससे. So इसके अलावा भी if you want तो hyaluronic acids are available in Minimalist also. Then it's available in Dotted Key as well. So you can try other variants as well. So this is how the bottle looks like. So I'll be taking just 2 to 3 drops on my palm like this. And I'll just just rub it between my palms and press it onto my skin so that it is absorbed completely. It will just give me a boost of hydration. And talking about the peeling solutions, so अगर आपको ordinary नहीं मिल रहा है तो you can opt for various different solutions as well. So the first one I told you as it's from Dr. Sheets, it's their gentle solution. And if you want to build up the concentration, so others are also available. Like in Minimalist also, they are available in the beginner level and like higher concentrations as well. And I suppose Dot & Key also have their AHA BHA peeling, so you can try them as well. So I'm done like by applying the serum, and as you can see, this is how it looks. Like after applying hyaluronic acid, your skin feels a bit sticky, so you have to top it off with a moisturizer. So I'll be using again this moisturizer from Simple, and it's their light moisturizer. So I really like this one as well. Like Simple has some amazing skincare products, so you guys should definitely check. And I'll just rub it off between my fingers and I'll just apply. So yeah, I am done with the moisturizer as well. And to tell you guys, you should apply a sunscreen. वैसे भी मैंने पहले भी बहुत बार बोला हुआ है कि you should not skip sunscreen. But if you are into chemical exfoliations, so your skin is really sensitive after doing chemical exfoliations, so you should never ever go out without applying a sunscreen. Out क्या आपको घर में भी लगाना चाहिए. So yeah, that was it for the chemical exfoliation. And don't forget to moisturize your lip as well. So I'll be using this Nivea lip balm. So this is how my skin feels after the entire step. So this was my weekly skincare routine, like that particular week जहाँ पे I do chemical exfoliation. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And also subscribe to my channel. And yes, don't forget to check out my other videos as well. I hope you like them as well. So yes, meet you next week with yet another amazing video. And until then, stay home, stay safe, and bye-bye. Bye.